know if you guys can hear that, but that is something called thunder.
I'm gonna go out in the front.
Okay.
Oh shit.
There's been dark clouds all week.
No.
And no thunder.
But look all the way down here. I'm gonna go in the front and zoom in.
There's dark clouds down there, and there's these ones. There's birds flying. There's another one way down there. And there's been dark. Wait. Okay, I was just checking if it was zooming in or not. There's been dark clouds hanging around all week, and we've had no thunderstorms. Finally, we come out and we hear thunder, and we see a flash of lightning. It's starting to rain. I can feel it on my arm.
Coming our way. I can tell
It's
by
here.
the clouds. There's like the cloud looks like a tsunami coming. There actually isn't.
Wish to help.
I think we should be inside now.
No.
Wanna get some tape? Some footage for It Just Kept Sticking? You can tell there's thunder and lightning.
I'm gonna go walk around the house to go check it out.
It's big clouds.
Big clouds? No, it's really gonna suck if I get hit by lightning.
We haven't seen lightning all day, but we heard rumbles since we got up at 10:30.
Shh. Ow.
I know.
I'm gonna go around this way, actually. Right there.
Oh shit! I love thunder and lightning.
So do I, man.
Oh, look at the birds.
I want
The
freaking.
bird just flew away.
I want freaking rain. I want it to pour. So to say that the heavens are gonna open. It's like.
We should go check the weather network.
Yeah, we should. But just keep the cameras rolling. Keep the cameras rolling.
Listen close.
Yeah. Holy sh! We couldn't see that from our backyard though. Oh no! I just felt it on my head.
Uh-oh.
No.
Somehow.
It's starting to rain.
Yep, it's starting to rain. We should go in now.
No.
What are we gonna do? Get here and be zapped? This is fucking hell.
So?
There might be a zap coming down. Oh, look.
Where are you? Where art thou? Where art thou?
Raining.
I know.
I can hear it up there. Oh, fall on my head. Raining quickly. Oh, God! Look at the clouds, they're coming this way!
My family, we love thunderstorms.
The heavens are gonna break!
The dark clouds are getting closer. As I was explaining in the other clip and all that kind of crap, the clouds have been hanging around. Finally, we're actually gonna have a thunderstorm.
Look at everything! Holy crap!
Man, as soon as I heard the first rumble, I came out and as soon as I heard the first rumble, I grabbed my camera and then I came outside, man. Gotta hear that thunder. Oh no, it's starting to rain! Come on, thunder. Give it all you got. Oh, I thought I just saw something flash, but it's just that thing way down there blinking.
Yeah, that tricked me too.
Man, oh man. Here comes the thunder.
Thunderstorm!
Hearing screams everywhere.
I'm gonna go check on Facebook now.
Go ahead. See everyone's posts about the thunder.
I'm gonna check the weather network. Stay out here.
Clouds are getting closer.
Outside.
I don't care. Unless I get fucking struck by lightning. I keep freaking stepping on something sharp. Alright, it just got massively dark. It's coming. It's got massively dark, man. I don't know if I should be out. I don't even know. The sun's like this up. Feels like it's nighttime. Did you just see that? It just got really fucking dark. Shit, there it is, right there. Camera's been soaked. I mean, it's not that bad of rain. It's got massively dark here. Alright, it's getting really dark here. I'm waiting for the next strike of thunder. Because the dark cloud is almost right above me. That's right above me. That dark cloud is coming in. Massively dark here.
Get inside now.
It is massively dark.
Get inside now.
JHS 97 telling me to go inside.
No, seriously. Tornado watch for St. John and County. Thunderstorm watch.
Did you say tornado watch?
Up to 90 kilometers of, I don't know.
I need to see this tornado watch.
Thunderstorms
History producing short but very heavy downpours and wind gusts just above 90 kilometers an hour. This is a warning that severe thunderstorms are imminent. Yeah, these regions have removed some severe thunderstorms. Blah 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 blah.
Tornado! Listen for update warning.
Catch it, severe thunderstorm warning.
This weather segment has been brought.
Dude, there's no lights on in my house. Look how fucking dark it got.
Go inside.
There you go. Force of nature I've got. Sometimes pretty unforgiving, huh? If you stay for a couple minutes during the next local forecast, we'll give you instructions on how you can upload video that you shot from your cell phone.
Hey, guess what? I'm actually recording right now. That's massive. I'm gonna go back. I'm going back again. Okay, the clouds are everywhere. The lens is getting freaking wet. Goodness gracious, it's coming down now. Waiting for the next strike. Ooh, that's actually pretty beautiful. Right there. Oh man, oh man, oh. Did you guys just see that? Was it? I had my back turned, I saw a flash. You guys are the only ones that could have saw that in this video because I was, I'm gonna go get a jacket on, it's starting to come down. I'm gonna wipe the lens. Oh. I thought I just heard some more. It's coming down. I'm already starting to get wet. Oh shit, son.
Alert for New Brunswick thunderstorm.
Let me see. Camera's getting soaked.
Here.
Sorry guys, I just kind of covered you up.
Okay. A line of severe thunderstorms across southern New Brunswick is trapping southernward through Sussex and some southern Shoreland countries. Then this line of thunderstorms has history of producing short but heavy downpours and wind gusts above 90 kilometers per hour. This is a warning that severe thunderstorms are immediate.
Shit, son. Oh fuck yeah! I'm coming out of this fucking jacket. You guys are gonna get soaked. Unless I do this. Severe thunderstorm warnings. Holy Holy shit! Jesus! Severe thunderstorm warnings. Severe thunderstorm warnings. And there's it says some rare times severe thunderstorms can cause tornadoes in the fucking Maritimes. Come on, lightning, come on! You guys are getting soaked. I'm so sorry that you guys are getting soaked. I'm gonna head inside for a second. I need to check out the camera. I'm so sorry, guys. You're getting wet. I always gotta clean the lens here. Rub the microphone a bit. Alright, here we go, guys. We're gonna go out again. I'm gonna be a dumb shit. Bring it on! Alright, I'm probably gonna catch a cold out here. Oh, shit. Wish I had my waterproof camera now. But it's in the mail. Yes, that's right, I'm getting a new camera! Oh, balls. Where are the balls?
The only thing is, we haven't seen, lightning yet.
I know, I haven't seen any lightning.
I think we should, pack everything in.
Everything's pretty much packed in, though.
No. I think I just saw lightning strike.
I can't tell. Oh, I just saw lightning.
Did?
Yeah. I'm gonna check out front. See, remember this camera? I used to have. Check the freaking lens there. I used to have this kind of camera, and it broke there with the cracked screen. Ooh, it's loud.
It's right over top of us.
And then the cord broke, so it can't charge, so it's screwed. So I'm stuck with this shitty camera, and then my mom goes and orders another one. Hey, look, a spider web! This is epic, guys.
In these days, remember some thunderstorm tornado watches.
There's tornado watches here. Oh, for fuck.
If we ever have
it's...
we're definitely going downstairs with our laptop. Have them charged up.
Fuck yeah. Holy shoot. No. Or vlogging.
I'm gonna...
Viewers touch!
I'm gonna go out for a second and try to do something, so I'll be right back.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go too. What are you doing that for? Oh, putting the ball away? You guys are getting soaked and I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, I can always clean the lens and shit. That rain is just... Dude, you guys are soaked! Just a second, I'm gonna go grab, No, I'm soaked. Oh, that was stupid. Just a second, guys, I gotta clean you off! I gotta clean you off! Ah! I'm cleaning you!
You actually were a coach in some of the Olympic Games.
That's correct.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that long vlog. It was just all about the rain and stuff and all that kind of crap, the severe thunderstorm warnings and all that. And if you enjoyed, then leave a like and a favorite. It's quite appreciated, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out, guys. Love you.